nigga. Every fucking track, niggas been doing little niggas suck my dick.
Is that Chris?
LTG suck my dick while talking on that shit. We got hit. Fat nigga, he ran, they tripped. Then Nazi, I got right off J Drip. Still phone look K. Bitch, I smoking on lane, I'm smoking on play. If I catch me phone, we going away. AJ watch my cousin don't play. Hey, my dope fam, I'ma slide 540 till the day that I die. I'm only 50 with a few more cycles. They talking on that, they all gotta die. And I'm feeling real disrespectful, like, why they keep this my block? Frankie Key, Matt, Lee, go. Like, how many niggas got shot? For one, you done push some rookie. Promise everything that is possible. Now want you to throw your what? Got the mask on these, my heart. Yo, Shachi, suck my dick. You can talk on naughty like did you forget? Nigga ran on his man and I hit in a split. Round, dog, beat, hit, clap. Leroy, got it, that in the ditch. We gon' visit and grab some piss. Frankie, see ya, Matt, split. So much that's I can write me a list. Like somebody died in the set. When we got shot, he was on his chest. Nah, he break, stuck on the floor. For the camera, go smoking some more. Hey, think nigga died in the whip. Oh, perk, I'ma spit to they strip. Why the fuck would I hang out the whip? Out on the range, I'll catch me a crib. I know, I think I shot in his leg. J6. Off Drake, born up at the leader. Dude, the lost gon' spell with a heater. Scott Tack, he was doing the scene. They talking all night, they must with a meter. Are we back for bro? Yeah, I know. We gon' call face out of solo. 40 enemy thought it was cool. Like J Rip got put on the news. Remove. He got locked up. Like 40, he be on soon. Spin it through blocks, so I quit they punk. We got power with his dog on the club. Bullets attack when they slow up his hungry. Don't shots at them, make the caution. When I'm better, we'll buzzing. I see DD turn on their son. Do the love to young, he bustin'. Shit around and shoot it for 9. Late night, we gon' creep. First one see, get put in the teeth. Daylight, I can see. First one I catch, I'ma put him to sleep. And this shit really hurt. Got 5 and 14 in my shirt. Whole box on my thing, gon' fill it to work. Fuck couple of bits, gon' finish the work. Shots and shiny more than 1,000. Test try niggas smoking your phone. And my buddy don't play, he on that. RG let him down like a doormat. He try to pimp at these shots like a phone. Hit a milli for 90, I know that he saw that. I got up with a big old cool. Full of 90, I boom that shoe. Got freak one, he shaking the room. Both shot books making a move. Suck my dick, nigga. It's that DD Osama, nigga, man. Every out shot.
Yo, TJ, what you cooking up? You my baby for you on my end them. Fours and nines, I'll baby go stretch them. Go ahead, go body, go face. The way B look just makes my day. Let's get short, she made a parade. All eyes on her, but she on the way. All eyes on her, but she on the way. Yo, naughty, throw. We get you watching and we got a boss on me, I'ma take that throne. Fuck it, Flock ain't coming home. If you do the we taking his life. Word my all, I'ma up that pipe. Steps IK, I'm smoking on right time, niggas get packed, I know they ain't hype. Yo, eat the dog, creep. Try to put a flock right to sleep. Everything dead for you out the way. Watch I run, I'm gonna pick up the pace. I'ma get so close, I'ma take off his face. Like I'ma get so close, I'ma take off his face. Hop in the V, go cool. Coach JJ, throw my 2. Free move, look at free AT. When they hold me, I know they gon' geek. Now I'm just smoking old dads. If you want for everything, cut on my side. And I'm just dropping YG and Southside, cause they talking to cars.
Now let's talk on the fact. See how daddy, he's stuck in the pack. Smoking over, we got shots in his back. And we up on the school, we smoke my side. 2 okay, I know what they mad.